brownies. Brownies! Whether you like them cakey, fudgy, or chewy, we're making them fudgy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. For this recipe, we don't need no stand mixer, no over mixing, just this simple contraption, a Bain-Marie. This is where you have a medium flame, pot, water, place the melting contraption and bring to a light bubble. Add in 225 grams of butter, 275 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of dark chocolate, and give them a stir till nicely melted. So, my bowl broke and I got a boo-boo. But nevertheless, we carry on. Take it off the heat. Once it's cooled, crack in 4 baby chickens and whisk them in one at a time. 2 baby chicken, 3 baby chicken, 4 baby chicken. Add in the zest of 1 orange, the juice of half an orange, a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and give them a mix till very well combined. Très bien, très bien. Sift in 110 grams of flour and yashiro lekosa kufinya record, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and fold it in with a spatula. Over mixing will form gluten, making the butter more rigid, leading to uneven baking, forming some crevices, and we don't want that. An 8-inch pan is my weapon of choice. Grease it with some sunflower oil, give it some strokes of brush, and lay in baking paper. Zoop zoop. The overhang will help in yanking them out, so keep them. Pour out the butter into the tin and send it into hellfire for 30 minutes for that fudgy brownie. Poking with a skewer should come out with some sticky situation, and we just let it cool in the tin. Once cooled, get them off the tin and cut them into 16 equal squares. I think a black plate would look good on this. You can actually tell by how the center sort of sunk in that these brownies are gonna be gooey and fudgy. Place them onto a plate, a couple of mints here and there, and a touch of powdered sugar. And I don't know how to keep it together from here, I just lost it. Now when we talk about fudgy, it doesn't get any fudgier. But if you'd like yours well done, because that's a thing, let it bake for 7 more minutes. And yay! That's your cakey brownie. Well, this video had a lot of mishaps. We broke some balls, we cut some fingers, but finally we made the brownie. If you did enjoy this video, just love the sight of food, drop a fat like and see you in the next one. Hold spatula.